Welcome to Butterfly Cottage. I'm Lucy and today I'm going to be showing you my version of chocolate milkshake. Here we have some 200 milliliters of milk, 2 tablespoons of chocolate powder and some ice cream. We're going to blitz them all up into the blender. First, we're going to put in the ice cream. Next, we're going to put in the milk. And last but not least, the chocolate powder. Now we're going to blitz them all up. And now it's all done, so we can finally take that off and pour our chocolate milkshake in the glass. And there you have it, my version of chocolate milkshake.